or necessity does the presence of power? Now please sit down and may I call on the leader of group 1, Tata. Is there any absences or tardiness? Okay. The leader of group 2, same question on the leader of group 2. Is there any tardiness or absence? Okay, group 8. Group 2. None? Very good. Okay. And the leader of group 3. Where is the leader of group 3? None. Can you represent the Is there any tardiness or absences? Thank you so much. The leader of group, group 4. Thank you so much. And the leader of group 5. Thank you so much. Now the leader of group 7. Please sit up. Thank you so much. The leader of group 8. Thank you so much. Now the leader of group 9, the last group. Thank you so much. Now before we start on our discussion, we will have our foundings. Okay. We may now start on our motivation. On the board, there are symbols used in plumbing. I will use some students to guess the name of the symbols of the plumbing, and you will match on the picture. Now, may I call Mr. Elijah Zhu, Mr. Alexis Briones, Miss Cecilia Oman. Okay. 5. So I will need artillery report. Stand up. And lastly, on this side, backdate. Please go in front for our invitation. Guess the name, and that is the provided name of our symbols. As you can see, there are symbols in your hands, and if I start in the countdown, you will guess the name of that symbol. You may put it in there or there. Maybe in here. Okay. Everyone here? Okay. If I count on 3, you will start again. 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go. Now we will check if that is correct. Who chose this symbol? Is there any final answer? No one choose the straight D. As you can see, no one choose the straight D. Now, you remember this. Right now. also correct. We choose this one. Okay, this give us. Now this is the split. This is the correct answer for split, and no one should be split. Now the destination tomorrow, I think this of that. Okay, please give her a round of applause. You may now see it, and thank you for participation. On our motivation, what do you think our lesson will be?
I think our lesson for today is all about the boundaries.
Okay, thank you so much. That is you.
I think the lesson for today is all about the symbols.
Okay, that is also correct. Now, plumbing symbols. You two are correct. We will tackle about the plumbing symbols and the meanings of plumbing symbols. Here are some of our tips. Number one, debate type and divide types the meaning of plumbing symbols. Number two, differentiate use of sanitary and plumbing symbols. Number three, provide signs and symbols of sanitary and plumbing. And present the signs and symbols of sanitary and plumbing. This will appear on our activity groupings later on. And lastly, observe plumbing regulation based on plumbing symbols. Our next slide. What is plumbing symbols? Who wants to read the definition of plumbing symbols? Ms. Perdada.
Plumbing involves obtaining a direct water pipelines installed in a house or building. It involves using pipes, bulbs, plumbing fixtures, taps, and other equipment. The purpose of this equipment is to heat and cool, remove waste, and deliver portable water. Plumbing
That's good. Thank you so much. Ms. Perdada is correct. On this lesson, we will talk about plumbing symbol and this will define our meanings and what we are going to use in our daily basis if we are going to plan our plans on our house. This will convey our logos and our symbols to signify what kind of materials we are using on our plans. Next symbol. Now here are some of the basic symbols we use on everyday planning on our plans now. Next slide. 90-degree elbow. Everybody read the meaning of 90-degree elbow.
90-degree elbow. It means that changes the direction of the pipe by 90 degrees.
Again, read everyone.
90-degree elbow. It means that changes the direction of the pipe by 90 degrees.
Thank you so much. 90-degree elbow is kind of elbow that meaning that changes the direction of the pipe by 90 degrees. If you may encounter a pipe that has this kind of direction, it ensures the flow of the water. And also, it also comes with different materials such as plastic, the blue that you can see on everyday basis, and the one that uses the engineering tools, the metal one, that will last long in our everyday basis. Now, next slide. Pipe turns up. May I call? Who wants to read the definition of pipe turns up? Mr. Bray.
Pipe turn up shows that the pipe is moving from a lower to a higher elevation.
Thank you so much. Now the pipe turns up. As you can see, there are houses that have a second floor and have a second CR or lavatory. This pipe is also used on the scenarios. This kind of pipe, you may encounter a metal one because the plastic ones are too easily to break. Do you understand? Do you have another question? Okay, thank you so much. Now, pipe turns down. Everybody read the definition of pipe turns down.
Shows that the pipe is going to completely shut off or fully open the flow of water.
Thank you so much. The meaning of pipe turns down doesn't define the lower thing. No. The pipe turns down is will include the open flow of water. We may include an open flow of water that when the drainage is when the water have a problem, the water pipe have a problem, we may encounter some of the main bulbs. If the main bulbs are in there, the pipe turns down are in there also. It will include the lever, and it will turn down the pressure drastically, and it will automatically shut down all the water sources on our houses. May I put down? Okay. Next, water closet. Water closet represents the way you want to do. This one is found on every home toilet. The water closet as well. We have our water closet. It has a symbol like this one. Then this is the bowl. You may encounter the water closet. It has a water in here. That is the water closet itself. It has an air that opens in our top area at the back. Okay? And the water, this is the main water closet. And this is the water itself that may be visible on these areas. Everybody understand that? Okay, thank you so much. Next slide. Laboratory. May I call who wants to read the definitions on this side? Miss Grace.
Laboratory represents a bathroom or handscape. This one is very common where you wash yourself using water with your washing.
Okay, thank you so much. The laboratory itself, you always see the sink. It also signifies the lavatory. It is the area that the girls wash their hands, take their makeups and such. The pipe that signifies the very washing area, it signifies the water and the lavatory itself. Now, next slide. Bedroom. This is a very simple understanding. It is the vent pipe extending through the room to release the gases. There are sometimes the house, the gas are pressurized inside the house, and the bedroom roof can easily guide the gas exiting our house. And it also, example of the bedroom roofs are, it includes upper part of the house. It is located sometimes on our roofing. Up. Thank you so much. Next slide. Annexes. Everybody read clean up. Thank you so much. Clean out is an access point to build blockages in drain line. Our drainages are always being plugged out on our everyday usage. The drainage itself, we have the blockages. These blockages may clog our type of plumbing structures that you may encounter. They have the specific type of hose that will easily conduct the lever that will open the main valves of that pipe, and it may also clean out all the drainages inside the pipe. So, thank you so much. Next slide. Represent washing machine. What do you think the means? What do you think the importance of these symbols as we encounter on our floor plans? who wants to give me the importance of clothes washer? Yes, mister. Thank you so much. As for Bartolana said, it is the washing machine area. This is important because our pipe is interconnected on this area. For it, our latest washing machines are not, you know what I said, right? It is interconnected on our pipe, and it also manually, automatically washes our clothes even if we are not in our house. And that is the clothes washer responsibility to our floor plans. Okay, thank you so much. Next slide. Gas pipe. Gas pipe supplies natural gas or propane to appliances. This is important because in our house, when we are out on our house, we don't know what will occur. And this symbol means we may encounter this symbol on our daily basis because it signifies when we are going to put our fire exits on the area, because this will ignite in very moment, and it will create a fire and will explode. So, okay, next slide. Sanitary waste. Everybody read?
Water from toilets, showers, sinks, etc.
Okay, thank you so much. These symbols indicate the wastewater that we are using. It will be toxic on our house if we don't know these symbols, because it is stated that carries water from toilets and showers, sinks, and etc. That will include our daily food waste, our own waste, natural waste, and this sanitary waste. This line indicates what is the area it will promote on our floor plans. Okay, thank you. Next slide. Hot water, cold water. Everybody read the meaning.
Represents the pipe supplying hot water. This symbol is always next to the symbol of the next symbol, which is the cold water. Represents the pipe supplying cold water.
Thank you all so much. Cold water and hot water. When we take a bath in our comfort room or washing area, this symbol indicates what are the bulbs that we are using on our hot water and cold water, what our preference, and this will include the balancing bulb itself, if you want not so cold or not so hot also. And next slide. Vent line, a pipe that allows gases to escape, preventing pressure build up in the system. I may include the recent slide, the vent through loop. It is interconnected on a pipe that allows gases to escape. I talked about the pipe that will ensure the cleanliness of our air condition. This will allow it to not go. Secrete. Yeah. A pipe that allows gases to escape, preventing pressure build up and everything. Thirdly, a draining the floor to prevent water accumulation. Water accumulation may occur on our CR that will result to disaster because it's very slippery on that specific area. And in accumulation, it will occur on that specific part. The person who are using the bathroom will slip, and so later it will, I don't shape. This symbol signifies the flow of the water. It is located in the lower ground. We are using this kind of, we all can see this kind of pipe. Sometimes it's metal, sometimes it's not. But according to engineering, they also use metals to ensure the two-way pathway of the water, and it will create a one signified flow on our area. Reducing T. Similar to straight T, but one of the branches is smaller in diameter. If you all can see this path is upward. It is similar to our first T path. This will signify the flow of our water. It allows the two-way, but our pressure water, it will reduce to its smaller unit for us to control the flow of the water that we are using. Sometimes it is used on our plants or on our, if we are washing our vehicles that we own in the area. Heater. Who wants to read the definition of heater? Miss Colan.
A device for warming the air.
Thank you so much. This will imply the house that built on Americas. Heater, they need heater on their living, especially on bare months, because this water heater is a device warming the air of the water. Now that specific area, if the engineers will look on their plan, this is the symbol they're going to use if they want their plan to be precise and their plans will going to work as their likings and in their client's choice. Thank you so much. Right? Sanitary. Everyone read the definition of sanitary.
He with a curved outlet designed for drainage, often used for toilets or unused snacks. The curve helps prevent fouls.
Okay, I include this one. You all remember this one. This pipe that will allow the clogs is located at the back. And at the back, this is the symbol or the pipe that we are using. And this pipe allows the clogs not to pressurize the water and make the water certainly smelly. If you know what I mean? When we are secreting on our daily usage of the CR, this pipe may include, or this symbol may include, and for us not to smell the foul odor of our secretion. That's right. P-trap. A pipe shaped like a V that traps small amounts of water. This water still prevents sulfur gases from entering the tubing. This is the symbol that I tackled at our previous slide. This pipe, this symbol, this is the water, and this is the pipe that we are using. When you are planning the toilet seat or toilet bows, we are using this symbol. Okay. Everybody understand that? Yes, sir. Shower head. It is stated that the fissure through the which this water is dispensed in a shower. And they include the hot water and cold water. Hot water and cold water is interconnected on this area. And this is our water itself. It will go down. If you know what I mean. If you take a bath, you will ensure the meat. Yes. Okay. This is the symbol of the shower head. Thank you so much. Gate valve. Everybody read the meaning of gate valve.
The flows flow by lifting a tip like this, used for on or off control.
Please take note this top one. This is the dish that engineers use to create a water flow. This is located on our main pipes. This is our house, this is the main pipes. And this will allow the flow of water in larger community. That this will go, give me an example. An engineer, and this is the dish. Did you all get that? Okay, thank you so much. That this will not leak. Okay. What's involved? What group is this?
Okay, so everyone, yung natin namin na pinag-usapan ng natin is what we do at sanitarity. So, ang function ng sanitarity ay tawag dito. Siya yung nag-prevalence na nag-aanda or naglalagay ng passageway sa mga tubo, lalo na sa ilalim ng CR to prevent clogs or mga marang, which is yung mga natural waste natin or yung mga basura siguro na tambak sa ilalim ng CR. And nag-aano rin na nag-ventilate ito sa ilalim para hindi mag-secret yung mga liquid gases na pwedeng mag-cause ng sa atin na accident.
Give them a round of applause. Thank you very much. What group is this? Okay. You may now explain the group explanation.
We figure out that this symbol is water heater shut-off. So, from the name itself, kung gusto mo control yung tubig or yung temperature ng tubig sa halimbawa kung maliligo ka, depende sa temperature ng panahon. Pwede mong i-adjust dito, i-adjust init.
Now, this symbol, what group?
This is water closet. And this is flushing fixtures that consists of toilet and bowl, toilet bowl, and toilet bowl, and flushing mechanism that is designed for disposable human waste. Yan po.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, on this symbol, what group of commonly used of the plumber to easily matanggal yung ano yung marami. To easily remove the clogs in the pipe. Okay, this symbol, what group is this? Thank you. You may now proceed and explain the definition of that.
Ito yung sulat ng file. Ang nakala namin ito ay yan, iba ba? So, ito yung switch na pwede mong i-turn off and on pagdadalagyan ng
Thank you so much.
Pagdadalaw yan ng lupa. Galing.
Okay, upon observing the TV, observe that this is the 90-degree elbow and which is the definition of it. It changes the direction of the pipe. Just
Thank you so much.
Active yung mga boys ko ah.
So, good morning everyone. So, this picture is Lord Ray. Nakikita natin siya sa CR, no? Especially sa rooftop. Ang trabaho niya sa bahay natin, no? Sinasala niya yung mga limay or mga kalat na pwedeng magkaroon ng pagkara sa mga tubo or sa... Then, nakikita siya sa CR, sa bathroom, then nga, meron din siya sa lababo. And then karinag ka ng mga like yung sa water, mga yun basta yung mga dinadala ng tubig habang sa kanya. Siya yung sinabi.
Very good.
Daniel ah.
Prepare a 1 for 3.
Quiz time.
1 for 3 ng pad paper.
Magki-quiz din ba ako?
Yes, 1 for 3 ng pad paper.